Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here. Here we have the Fanimation Huxley Ceiling Fan. Sorry, I'm confused right now because, I'm just excited to put up the Cali Zephyr I got. So, hopefully this video doesn't get interrupted because I am eating appetizers for dinner. So, anyways, here's low. Oops, it's in reverse. Why is it in reverse? One of the blades actually got slightly bent for some reason, but it's not a big deal though. Thankfully it doesn't wobble though. I'm okay with the blade being slightly bent because I'm used to seeing it because one of the Emerson Pro Series fans at my school has a slightly bent blade. One of the ones in the complex dorm area, in the top dorm. So I think it's called Heather Dorm. Or a blade could be a little loose too, I'm not sure though. So I see the blade arm a little bit bent off, so. Who's texting me? Not more appetizers will be ready in 5 minutes, so. Here's high. One video I had to do a lot of servicing on this, like a little bit of servicing. We had to check the blade arm. Wobbles a little bit actually, not too bad though. See the blade arm's a little off. Well, when I put this fan close up, I'll show you the blade arm. I'll show you what I did with my Cali Zephyr too, briefly. So I'm excited to throw that up soon. So anyways, I'll show you what. So you can see. Oh shit! Want to see one of the blades slightly off, but I'm not abusing it though. I'm just showing you. See, look, it's kind of slightly off. Well, if you look at the top view, it is a little off. You can see a little bit more in person, though. Maybe I could check the screws, make sure they're all the way tight. Make sure they're all the way tight. Now, I do have my Four Seasons 3 on medium today, so it's really hot. Tomorrow might be a little cooler, so I'm going to probably have it off. Because, plus I want to show a light kit on this fan too, so I might use the bulbs from my Victorian light. And I don't have rosewood blades for it, for the Cali Zephyr. So but I would love to get a set of rosewood blades for it someday. Because it would look beautiful with it. Because I love polished brass Cali Zephyrs with rosewood blades. And Tommy actually did have a bunch of Calis. Tommy bought in the fan page had a bunch of polished brass Cali Zephyrs with rosewood blades. But I'll explain a little more when I put the Cali Zephyr up. Sold the Cali Zephyr. Here's low reverse. Medium reverse. I definitely like looking at this fan, the Huxley, in person, but I can't wait to see the Cali Zephyr again because I haven't seen a Cali Zephyr in years in person. I've mostly seen them on videos, but that's actually my first badge style fan because thankfully Cali Zephyrs are badge style fans, badge blades. And I would love to get some South Seas blades for it. I've never seen a Cali Zephyr with South Seas. And anyways, you spin down reverse. Felt like turning off the switch this time. So why not? I think my dinner might be ready, so 5 minutes, so right on time. I'm gonna wrap the wires to the chair so I won't damage them on accident. Motor's kind of dusty in the Cali Zephyr, so I need to vacuum it a little bit. I don't want to vacuum the boards because I don't want to damage the IT board. Anyways, that's about it. That is the Fanimation. Oh, sorry, it's not spinning. It's not finished spinning down yet. Anyways, that's about it. That's the Fanimation Huxley with the Cherrywood blades. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe.